Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will discuss about number picker in Flutter using GetX. Here I have created this project by using the getCli tool. After creating the project in the pubspec.yaml file, I have taken this number picker dependency. Okay. Now let me show you the output. As you can see, this is the number picker. We can scroll it and the currently selected value will be displayed here. How to create this, that portion I will discuss today. Okay. Now let me move to the home view file. In the home view file, you can see in the body, in the center, I have taken a column widget. Now as a first children of the column widget, I will take the number picker. Now this number picker widget is provided by the library which we have taken in the pubspec.yaml file. Right. Now here, let me delete this. First of all, here I will use a value. Let me specify the value is 20. This is the current value which will be selected by default whenever the app will be launched. Now we need to specify the mean value for this number picker. Let the mean value be 18. Next we have to specify what will be the max value. Let it be 100. Now we have on changed, means whenever the value from this number picker will be changed, at that time this on changed will fire. Right. Now here we need to write the code. Now let me do one thing. Instead of initializing the value 20 here, let me move to the home controller. In the home controller, I will declare a variable current value. Let it be 20 and let me make it observable with the help of .obs. Now move to the home view. Now instead of writing 20 here, I will write controller dot current value dot value, and in on changed here I will write controller dot current value dot value equals to value. Now let me run the project and you can see the output here. You can see the number picker has been generated and the current default value is 20. Right. Now let me change the text style here, and to change the text style here I will use selected text style. Here I will specify the font size as, let it be 30, and let me specify the color as colors dot deep purple accent. Fine. Now let me save this. Now you can see the current selected value color has been changed to deep purple accent and the font size has been increased. Now here I will do one more thing. By default, this number picker is coming in vertical direction. If you want to change the direction, then here we have axis, and in axis I will write axis dot horizontal. Now let me save this. Now you can see the number picker has been changed in the horizontal direction. Now here I will do one more thing. Use a sized box and I will give the height as, let it be 10, and here I will use a text widget. In the text widget, here I will write current value dollar controller dot current value dot value. Right. And here I will change the style as well. Style, text style, and I will give a font size as 30. Now let me save this. Now you can see the current value is 19. If I change it, then the value is not changing. Why? Because I need to wrap this text widget inside OBX. Let me wrap it inside OBX and let me wrap this number picker in OBX. Now let me run the project once again. Now you can see The current default selected value is 20 and that has been displayed in this text widget. Now let me change the value. As you can see, as soon as I am changing the value from the number picker, the selected value is displayed here. Okay, this is how we can use number picker in Flutter using GetX. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.